Are you ready to unleash the power within you? To shatter limitations and achieve extraordinary results? For too long, you've been told that success is reserved for a select few, that it's about luck, genetics, or some secret formula that's out of your reach. But I'm here to tell you that's a lie. Success isn't an accident. It's not something you're born with. It's a skill, a muscle you can develop, a code you can crack. The world's highest achievers, the titans of industry, the peak performers in every field, they didn't get there by chance. They understand that true power comes from within. From mastering the psychology of success. From rewiring their brains for greatness. And that's exactly what I'm going to show you how to do. Over the next few chapters, we're going to dive deep into the science of success. We'll uncover the secrets of the billionaire mindset, unlock the power of your subconscious, and forge the habits that will propel you towards your wildest dreams. Get ready to transform your life. This isn't just about setting goals, it's about becoming the type of person who achieves them. Let's get one thing straight. The difference between those who achieve extraordinary success and those who struggle isn't talent. It's not resources. It's not even opportunity. It all comes down to mindset. You see, the world is filled with brilliant minds trapped in mediocre lives. They have the potential, the dreams, the desire, but they're held back by an invisible force. A force more powerful than any obstacle or setback. That force is a fixed mindset. It's the belief that your abilities are predetermined, that you're stuck with the hand you were dealt. People with fixed mindsets see challenges as threats, obstacles as failures, and criticism as personal attacks. They shy away from growth, avoid risks, and ultimately sabotage their own potential. But what about the high achievers, the game changers, the ones who seem to defy the odds? They've tapped into something different, something far more powerful. The most successful people on this planet share a common trait, a growth mindset. They understand that their abilities are not fixed but malleable, capable of expanding beyond what they ever thought possible. They embrace challenges as opportunities for growth, see setbacks as stepping stones, and view criticism as valuable feedback. This isn't just positive thinking, it's a fundamental shift in how they perceive themselves and the world around them. Think about it. Every skill, every talent, every accomplishment started with a single step. A decision to learn, to grow, to push beyond perceived limitations. The power of the growth mindset lies in its ability to unlock your true potential. It allows you to embrace the journey, to learn from your mistakes, and to constantly strive for improvement. Now you might be thinking, Tony, that's great, but how do I actually develop a growth mindset? The answer is simple, but it takes consistent effort. It starts with awareness. Begin by identifying the areas of your life where you're holding yourself back with limiting beliefs. Challenge those beliefs. Ask yourself, is this really true, or am I limiting myself with a fixed mindset? Next, embrace the power of yet. Instead of saying, I can't do this, tell yourself I can't do this yet. That simple word opens up a world of possibilities. It shifts your focus from limitation to potential. Remember, developing a growth mindset is a journey, not a destination. It's about constantly seeking new challenges, embracing feedback, and never stopping learning. Let's talk about the elephant in the room. Most people fail to achieve their goals, not because they lack ambition or desire, but because they're following the wrong formula. They're stuck in a cycle of trying, failing, and giving up. They set goals, make some initial effort, and then wonder why they're not seeing results. They get discouraged, lose motivation, and eventually abandon their dreams altogether. The problem is, they're approaching success like a sprint when it's actually a marathon. They're looking for shortcuts, quick fixes, and magic bullets. But real, lasting success doesn't happen overnight. It's not about luck, chance, or some mystical secret. It's about following a proven formula. The ultra-successful, the ones who consistently achieve their goals, understand that success is a process. And it all boils down to 3 fundamental steps: decide, commit, resolve. First, you must decide exactly what you want. Clarity is power. Get crystal clear about your goals, your vision, your desired outcome. Write it down, visualize it, feel it in your bones. Second, commit to taking massive action. No more procrastination, no more excuses, no more waiting for the right time. The time for action is now. Break down your goals into smaller, manageable steps, and then attack them with relentless determination. Finally, resolve to never give up, no matter what challenges you face. This is where most people falter. They hit a roadblock, encounter resistance, or experience a setback, and they throw in the towel. But here's the truth. Failure is not the opposite of success. It's part of the journey. Every successful person you know has failed, stumbled, and fallen flat on their face. The difference is, they refuse to stay down. They use their failures as fuel, as lessons, as opportunities to learn and grow. Remember, the path to success is rarely linear. It's filled with twists, turns, and unexpected detours. But with unwavering resolve, you can overcome any obstacle and achieve anything you set your mind to. You know, people always ask me, Tony, what's the one thing that separates the ultra-successful from everyone else? They want this magic formula, some secret handshake of the wealthy. And you know what? They're right to look for it. There is a difference, but it's not about luck, it's not about connections, it's about how they think. See, most people walk around with this constant negative chatter in their heads. I can't do it, it's too hard, I'm not good enough. It's like they're setting themselves up for failure before they even start. But the most successful people, the ones who truly change the game, they understand the power of the subconscious mind. They don't let those limiting beliefs take root. They actively plant seeds of success, of abundance, of achievement, deep down in their minds. This isn't some new age mumbo-jumbo, this is about taking control of the most powerful tool you have, your brain. Think about it, every action you take, every decision you make starts with a thought. So if you're constantly bombarded with negativity, what kind of results do you think you're gonna get? But when you prime your mind for success, when you visualize yourself achieving your goals, when you feel that unshakable certainty, it changes everything. You start attracting the right people, the right opportunities, the right resources, because your entire energy shifts. You become a magnet for success because you've programmed your mind to expect it. And the best part? Anyone can do this. It doesn't matter where you come from, what your background is, or what challenges you've faced. This is about rewiring your brain, about taking control of your thoughts and beliefs and creating the life you deserve. It's about stepping into your power and saying, I am capable of achieving anything I set my mind to. Now this isn't about some overnight miracle. It takes effort, it takes consistency, it takes commitment. But let me tell you, the rewards are worth it. When you tap into the power of your subconscious mind, you unlock a level of potential you never thought possible. You start seeing opportunities where others see obstacles. You start taking action while others are paralyzed by fear. You become unstoppable because you've aligned your thoughts, your beliefs, and your actions with your ultimate vision of success. So, are you ready to unleash the power of your subconscious mind? Are you ready to break free from those limiting beliefs and step into your greatness? I know you are, because you're here, you're listening, and that means you're ready for change. And that's the first step. Let's talk about something crucial here, something they don't tell you in those get-rich-quick schemes. Success isn't some magical event that happens overnight. It's not winning the lottery or stumbling upon some hidden treasure. It's about the small, consistent actions you take every single day. You see, we are creatures of habit. Every single day we make choices, from the moment we wake up to the moment we close our eyes. And these choices, these habits, they compound over time. Think about it, if you consistently eat unhealthy food, what happens? Your health deteriorates. If you consistently overspend, what happens? You end up in debt. But here's the good news. The same principle applies to success. When you cultivate positive habits, when you make conscious choices that align with your goals, you start creating an upward spiral of success. Now, I'm not talking about some rigid, military-style schedule. I'm talking about identifying the key habits that will move you closer to your goals and then integrating them into your daily routine. Maybe it's waking up an hour earlier to exercise and visualize your goals. Maybe it's dedicating 30 minutes each day to learning a new skill or reading a book. Maybe it's making a conscious effort to connect with your loved ones or express gratitude. The key is to find what works for you, what energizes you, what makes you feel alive, and then make it a non-negotiable part of your day. Remember, consistency is key. It's not about being perfect, it's about showing up even when you don't feel like it. Because those are the days that count the most. Those are the days that separate the extraordinary from the ordinary. Here's the thing about habits. They create momentum. When you start making progress, no matter how small, it creates this positive feedback loop that fuels your motivation and propels you forward. You start seeing results, you start feeling better, you start attracting more opportunities, and that just makes you want to keep going. It's like that snowball effect. The more you do, the more you can do. The more you achieve, the more you believe in your ability to achieve even more. So, don't underestimate the power of small, consistent actions. They are the building blocks of extraordinary success. We've covered a lot of ground together, haven't we? From the power of a growth mindset to the importance of priming your subconscious mind. From the secrets of successful habits to the incredible potential that lies dormant within you. But here's the thing. Knowledge without action is meaningless. Now you have two choices. You can leave this video and forget everything, or you can take action and change your life today. I know what I believe you're capable of. I know you have greatness within you. The Brainstorm HQ Challenge. Set one clear goal right now. Use the 5-second rule. Take action immediately. Drop a comment below with your goal. Let's make success happen together.